Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a Tech Point video. So today in this video I will going to review an exclusive app which is really designed for every kind of user who is in stock market, forex market or cryptocurrency market. So this app is really designed to make your complex trade calculation really easy. So the app which I am going to showcase today is Calcdesk. Let me show you the store listing first of all of this app. You can go to Play Store and you can search for Calcdesk. This is the listing of the app. This is a Calcdesk trading calculator. So let me showcase the app itself, and I will going to show you how you can make your complex calculation easy using this app, and how you can maximize your profit and your losses, calculate your liquidation, compound, and all kind of basic stuff which we really don't want to calculate while taking a trade, opening a trade or closing a trade. So you should know each kind of things beforehand, and that will going to maximize your profit in the end. So let's begin with the app overview. So this is the app store listing. Here's are the screenshot. Let me show you the basic screenshot of this app so you can have a look of feature list. Okay, so let's dive inside the app itself. So this is the app which I developed it for myself, and right now this is in prototype and beta. So here there are some minor bugs here and there, and I think after this release of this video you can get the bug-free app of this. So let's begin with the overview of this app. So first of all, on home screen you will find a simple calculator app, which is really basic calculator app. Like you can calculate 56 into 8, you can under root, you can do so this is a really basic calculator app first of all. And to access other modules you have to go to side menu, and there you find a lot of modules. The first module is percentage change. So this percentage change is really useful, and you need it all the time in trading sessions, trading while putting trades, while taking profits, while taking losses, while averaging things out, and in daily life also. So for example, what is percent of what? Like what is 3% of 50? You can also calculate it using simple calculator, but here you have to put two values and then boom, 1.5 is a 3% of 50. Likewise, 1.5 is what percentage of 50? So basically it's 3. If you have to calculate the same thing in calculator, you have to do like to calculate 50, 3% of 50, what you have to do? You have to divide this by 100 and multiply by 3, then you get 1.5. So this is really simple. You get this calculation done in a second, in a flick of seconds. And this is a percentage increase and decrease. This is a really good calculator module. Like 45 to 60, what is a percentage gain? You want to know the percentage change of this. So you have to just put two values, and then wait a second, let me mute my okay. So you have to just click at this, and you will going to get that it's a 33% hike on this 45 to 60. If you bought something at 45 price range and sell it to 60%, sell on 60%, you're gonna get at 33% gain on that. So this is how the percentage module works. There are 3 basic modules inside this, and you can calculate your percentage in a flick of second by putting two values. This is really good. So now let's go to fees, funding fees. Basically this funding fees is always been seen on futures in cryptocurrencies. I think in stocks also, if you take leverage, you have to pay certain amount of fees in order to hold those lot and positions. So like I have a position size of 1,25,000, 24,000, 23,000, okay, and I'm paying 0.1% fees every one day. Okay, so how much fees I'm paying? I'm paying 123 rupees per day, or 123 USD per day. That's how you can calculate your funding fees. Okay, this is a really basic, but it is useful, because right now you are saying that we want to use this, but once you are getting hit by funding fees of large amount, like 1% funding fees every 8 hours, 1.2% every 8 hours, you have to calculate it that, oh shit, you have to pay 1400 rupees or 1480 rupees per hour or per minute or per day. Okay, likewise, this is the average down calculator. This is one of the most used mathematical formula in stock trading, forex trading, and stock and cryptocurrency trading. Basically, whenever we buy stocks at different price points, we used to calculate our average downs and average ups using our simple calculator, but we do a lot of complex stuff. But here you can do it really easily, like 100 stocks you buy at 675 rupees, $675, 35 stocks at $800, and then you bought 500 quantity is at 200 price. So here you will get an average down, like your 635 stocks contracts or cryptocurrency size is at average of $307 or rupees. That's how simple you can average down, calculate your average down of your long-term holdings, position size in futures, and all kind of stuff you want to do. This is not a calculator that you have to use in trading. You can use it in daily life also. So let's go to trade liquidation. Trade liquidation is a module to calculate how much margin you need to secure your current position size. For example, I have a position size open at $250 entry price, and I have a quantity of 400, and my margin balance is $10,000. Okay, so this is a very risky trade. As you can see that once the stock's price drop below or drops through $225, my margin balance gonna be liquidated. So I have to increase my balance like to $25,000. So my liquidation will drop to 187.5. That's how you can calculate your liquidation of trade and decrease your risk accordingly. And I will going to put advanced values in this, like how much risk you are in and how much margin you need to add in order to increase your safety in this trade position. So these features will come in future, and according to user need, I will going to make changes accordingly. Okay, so profit and loss calculator is really basic. This app we use every day, but here also this is a very simple to use. You can put like 50 is my entry price and 85 is my exit price, and I have a lot of contract size of 560. So you will gain 19,600, which is 19,600 USD or rupees of profit. And likewise, if you sell it in loss like 65, oh wait a second, not 65, 45, then you're gonna lose 2,800 USD or $2,800. That's how you can calculate your profit and loss. You can do it in simple calculator also, but I don't think why you should use a simple calculator when you can put 3 values and get the results in 1 second. This is the trade compound calculator. This module I designed it in order to make everybody's life really easy, because if you are a disciplined trader, you need a plan, a good plan to do trade and build a wealth. Trading is not insensitive platform to make or lose money. If you want to trade to build a wealth, you need a discipline, and to need a discipline you need a calculated shares, calculated positions, and trading sizes. So here I made this trade compound. For example, I want to start my trading journey by 10,000 rupees or $10,000, and I don't want to take leverage, and I want to aim at least 3% per trade, and I want to make trade of 10 in a day. So in the end of the day, I will going to make 3,000 rupees on my trade. 3,439 rupees in the end of the day. Okay, that's how I'm going to make. So here's the trade breakdown. That's how you do it. Here's the percentage gains on every trade. Like on a trade one, I will going to earn 300 rupees, and on the base amount of second trade is 309, and then so on and so on. That's how you can plan your trade calculation based on compounding. Second last is the leverage movement. Okay, let me show you the leverage. It's a leverage part also. Like 10,000, like you have 1,000 rupees, and you want to take advantage of 10x leverage, and you want to take 3% gains and doing 10 trades. It's basically same. You can take a loan from exchange of 10x and get the same profit on your base amount of 1,000 rupees by increasing the leverage. That's how you can increase your leverage and do the same kind of stuffs. Okay, so the second last module is leverage movement. Here you can put how much leverage you're gonna take on your base amount. Like I will going to put random numbers like 25, and I want to gain 3% on that. So how much percent you need to target in order to get 3% on leverage of 25? Is 0.12% only. So 0.12% is like flick of seconds trade. So you can plan this out, that how much percent gain you need to achieve in order to get a movement of 3% in your base stock. The last is APY. This is an annual percentage yield. So basically it is a long-term process and long-term holdings. If you want to hold a stock, SIP, mutual fund, or a cryptocurrency for long-term, like you put $12,000 at the rate of 25% per annum, and you want to keep that stock only for 1 week, like 7 days. How much percent you gonna gain? So that's how you're gonna earn $57 or 57 rupees after 7 days, according to APY. And likewise, you can increase to 30 days, which is month, and likewise you can increase to 365 days, which is yearly interest, which is $3,000 or 3,000 rupees per annum on your holdings. So these are the modules in this app right now, and by the time of user requirements and future updates, I will going to add more modules. You can comment down below if you need any advanced features and you want to make any complex calculation easy, and you think that there is some need in change of these modules. You can kindly request that changes and comment down below, and make sure to share this app with people who are in trade. And if you like this app, kindly leave a review on Google Play Store. And for iOS user, this app also coming very soon, and I hope you guys find this app really easy. Thanks for watching. This is Deep Single from a Tech Point. Cheers.